At the end of the day, you just got to work, and if you have a goal, go reach it. And, my goal is to be on the 53-man roster and help his team win a Super Bowl.
Blitz picked up. Rodgers has his man, the tight end, Tonyan for the touchdown. Rob Tonyan on the receiving end. Rodgers throwing, and it's caught. Touchdown. Robert Tonyan again. Another touchdown. Atlanta rushing for it. Time for Rodgers to float one. Easy catch. Hang on, how many? 2, 3. Aaron, how many? 1, 2, 3.